Today, I'm going to show you how to customize your homepage and your orientation module from Canvas. If you haven't already gotten these materials from Commons, please take a look at Nigel's video about how to do this. Click the link on the screen to get to Nigel's video. Once you've gotten those materials imported into your site, we'll need to customize them for your particular course. Let's start with the homepage. You are going to need the links for your online course materials before we get started, so go ahead and pause the video here, grab the links to your Zoom room, online books or links to purchase those books, and any websites you want to use as course materials. Paste those documents somewhere handy. I used a Google Doc. You could also use a Word document or a note on your phone, just somewhere you can easily get to them. You'll also need to have any files you want to share with students as course materials, like a PDF of a course packet, for example, and you'll want to have those loaded onto Canvas to make this process faster. If you don't know how to do that, you can open this link to learn how to upload files to Canvas. Go ahead and pause here to get everything ready, and once you have all those things, come back and we'll get started. If you've got everything, let's go ahead. Log into Canvas and select the course you'd like to customize. I've already chosen this class. Now that I've selected the course that I want to be in, I can see that my module is already here. And to edit my homepage, I can click on this link called Homepage Template. When that opens, I need to click the Edit button. And from here, I can update my course title and course number. Now that I've updated that section, I can scroll down to Contact, and anything that is in brackets, anything that's in brackets can be edited. You can also highlight anything that you don't need and hit backspace to delete. And once you have updated those sections, then we can scroll down to course materials. This is the section that we need those links and documents we prepared in advance. So to update my Zoom room link, I'm going to highlight this section here, and I'm going to type join class through Zoom here, and then highlight this text. And then I'm going to jump over to my Google document. To copy and paste the link for my Zoom room. So I'll use my cursor to highlight, and then I can right click to copy, or I can use Control-C on my keyboard. Then we'll go back to Canvas where we highlighted Join Class Through Zoom, and I will click Link to URL and paste by using Control-V on my keyboard to bring over the Zoom room link. And when I insert link, now I have a place for students to take one click from my homepage to connect to Zoom. I will repeat that same process for any other websites I want to use for my class. This session, I'm going to use Nearpod for students to view presentations and Quill to do grammar. So I am going to highlight Nearpod, and I will jump over to my link, grab that, Control-C to copy, back to Canvas to paste the link to URL, Control-V to paste and insert link, and I'll just repeat that process for Quill or any other resources I want to use. You'll see there's already a link in the course materials section. This is the online classroom orientation module, which we'll take a look at next. The next thing I need to do is to insert a file into my course materials. Maybe I have a course packet that's in PDF, so I can type whatever I want my students to see, and then I will highlight it, click Files, and then I just need to grab the file that I want to share. I have already uploaded this file, so it's right here in Canvas for me. And now I have linked that document. So now my students have access to all my course materials with one click. And the last thing that we need to take a look at are the quick links for help. The Tutoring Center, advising for AT and IEP students are linked here. Student activities and listening lab directions are also linked here. If you have additional links you think students need to access from the ELI, let us know on the online task force and we'll make sure that those are added in the same visual style. We only have one last step, which is to scroll to the bottom and click the blue Save button. After we save, then we can scroll up and down, take a look at what we've done and make sure we like the way that it looks. If that's all good, then we just need to stand back and congratulate ourselves on one task completed to begin the session.